Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using only affordable products and no fake eyelashes. I actually already filmed this look only in Spanish and a lot of you guys liked it and requested it in English. So here it is. It's so quick and easy to do for beginners. So I hope this video helped you guys. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and leave me a like please if you like this video. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows with the Covergirl Trublend concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm also going to use this as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm going to blend it out with my finger, and I know you might be thinking, wow, this shade is too light for me, which it is because I can't find my other shade, but it is fine because with the eyeshadows and everything, it's not going to look so white. So once this is nice and blended out, I'm going to set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and this fluffy brush from Coastal Scents. I apply it in tapping motions and then swipe off any excess powder, and this will help a lot to blend out the eyeshadows a lot better, easier, and faster. And you can use any pressed powder that's matte, a translucent powder, or even a shade that's the same, even an eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone. And the palette that I'll be using is the one from Covergirl Katy Kat palette by Katy Perry. I'm going to grab this brown eyeshadow with the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush, and I'll be applying this right here all over my crease. It helps if I look straight at the camera because it just fits perfect right there, right in my crease. So I just go back and forth, and I'm just applying it like a rainbow, like this, from corner to corner. So I just keep going like this, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to start blending it out in circular motions. I grabbed a little bit more because I want the eyeshadow to move a little bit higher. So what I'm going to do, it helps if I stretch my eyelid. I just lift my eyebrow a little bit. So I'm going to apply it right here. Again, go like this, back and forth, and then slowly start blending it out again. And then I just keep going back and forth to blend out the eyeshadow. And it should not take long to blend out because it's not a dark eyeshadow. When you're blending out the very edge of the eyeshadow, when you want it to look already nice and blended, leave it right there. You don't want to have a lot of product on the brush. You just use whatever's left on the brush, or you can use a clean brush, and then just start blending it out right on the edge. From the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to grab this dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this little brush that comes in a palette from Rimmel, and I'm going to apply this on the very outer part of my eyelid. First, I'm going to apply it in tapping motions. Then once it's on the corner, I'm going to start blending it out with the same little brush, very lightly, using the very tip of the brush. I'll blend it out in circular motions going towards the outer corner and then also on the crease. It's important to start with very little product on the brush, especially if it's a dark eyeshadow. Also, I'm going to blend it out into my crease on the center and the inner part of the crease with whatever's left on the brush. I'm not going to grab any more product. Then I'm going to grab the same concealer from Covergirl with my finger. I'm going to start with a little bit and apply that on my eyelid. Again, you want to do this in tapping motions, and once it's on my eyelid, to blend out the edges. I also use my finger, but I try to remove any product that I have left on it, and then I blend it out in like tapping motions, swiping motions, very lightly going down on the very edge, because you want the concealer to be very blended out. That way the eyeshadow that you apply on top of that will also look nice and blended. And for the outer part where I applied the dark eyeshadow, I also do it in tapping motions just the same way, and I try not to cover up a lot of that area. Once that's blended out, I'm going to grab the Ultra Mania from NYX Cosmetics. It's a loose pigment, very gorgeous, and I'm going to apply this with the Real Techniques detailer brush. You don't want the concealer to be dry at all, because then the loose pigment won't really hold on to the concealer. You want it to still be a little bit wet, but not too wet. And to blend out the edges, I'm going to grab the little brush again. I'm not going to grab any more product, but with this, I'm just going to go over the edge very lightly, because I don't want the shimmer to go all over the place. I just want it to look a little bit blended. So with this, I'm barely touching my skin with a brush on my crease. Then I'm going to grab the very first eyeshadow I had applied with the same brush and apply that on my lower lash line. Since I will not be applying fake eyelashes, I do want to curl my lashes and get them ready for mascara. And this eyelash curler is a product that I always recommend. It's only $2 at Target. I will link it in the description box below, but this one is the only one that has worked so good for my lashes. The mascara that I'll be using is the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, which is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. It makes my eyelashes, it gives it a lot of volume, it doesn't flake, it doesn't look clumpy, and it doesn't make my lashes go down, because a lot of mascaras do that, but I love this one, just the way it separates my eyelashes. But yeah, the eyelash curler is a big thing for me, and I've tried so many. There's one that was $15 that my sister bought. That one does not work for me at all, and this one, $2, works so good. So I'm going to be applying 2 layers of the mascara. I like to go like this, like a zigzag, and then I twist the brush as I'm going up at the same time. I just do that, and then I also close my eyes like this to kind of push the eyelashes against the brush, and then on the very tip I just do it a little bit. And if you don't want to apply mascara just because you're scared of getting mascara on your eyelash, what you can do is put like a tissue or your credit card, whatever, behind your eyelashes and then apply your mascara. That will help a lot. And then if you do get mascara, especially on your eyelid when you already have the eyelashes, just let it dry. Don't take it off right away, because since it's still kind of wet, it's just gonna smudge and it'll ruin your eyeshadows. So you just want to wait until it dries. But yeah, this is a mascara I highly recommend. And I will also be putting some on my lower lashes. One thing that I almost forgot is the highlight on my brow bone and the inner corner. I'm going to be using the Covergirl Trublend Super Stunner highlighter. By the way, I think that this highlighter is a dupe for the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. For the brow bone, you just want to apply it right on the arch of your eyebrow and then blend it out just a little bit lower than that, but you want to keep it kind of on the arch area of your eyebrow. And this will give it a gorgeous glow to your brow bone and make the whole look a lot nicer. And that is a completed look. I love it so much. First of all, because I use affordable products, and who doesn't love that? And also, it's so easy and simple to do. You can do this in like 10 minutes. I really hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what other kind of videos you want me to do. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!